Yeah, man. Yo, listen, man. We just got we here like we just moved the 2,000 units of the CDs. The fucking DVDs is almost up. I ain't got that much stickers, so you already know, man. I need more. I need more work and all that, man. For real, man. Cause you know what? How we moving it, man. Back to the island now. We about to leave Miami, back to the island, fly back home and all that. New York. You know what I mean? Get ready for all that next movement. The stickers is going like almost 5,000. We out to like we probably got like a G left. CDs probably like 100 or something like that. Everybody got that, man. Everybody in Miami should know by now who the hustlers is. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we gonna need all of that. Whatever it is, man, just put it to the tab, man. We take care of it when we get squared. You heard? Yeah, man. As long as I got you by my side, man, I got no problem. For real, hustler, baby. I got you, baby. We get them shirts out. We get the shirts out next, like when we stamp, about next week or something, man. For real. All right, my nigga, I'ma holler at you, yo. We getting it moving right, though, man. New particles that done been moved and all that shit, my nigga. So at the end of the day, everybody gonna eat, man. Yeah. You already know, man. Staten Island Hustle, South Island City album coming, man. For real. We push this shit, man.
We trafficking. We trafficking. We trafficking. Okay. Once again, it's your man, infamous Staten Man, getting hand, fish till it cool. Cause the traffic jam, stack my ends till there's no room left. That's the plan, that's your man, how I do the block. I'm a savage man, heavy trafficking from the boys I know. Roadblocks in the hood, so I gotta duck the 5-0. I ride slow, so the bitch niggas know it's mean. Who you know that got half as much flow as me? Who you know that got half as much dough as me? Hold up. Let me take the bull, blow the weed back to the basics. My stacks is adjacent. You violate the bread, you'll get wrapped in the basement. Faggot. We trafficking. We trafficking. We trafficking.
Yeah, I was born to lose, didn't know I built to win. The world's mostly water, I was just filtered in. Mom said I'm God's child, but I still look the same. They say time is money, and I can count more than 10. Flipping 2 to 4, I'm doing math again. The beat's like a 12-12, and I'm spitting crack up in. Nigga, how my brainwave move is like I'm trafficking. When they say I'm blacking out, nigga, I'm on my African. Go ahead, come at your face, bet you I slap it in. Don't have to feel my computer to touch the Mac again. My money long, it stretched like Elastic Man. My Aki niggas hold the heat, he Pakistan.
We trafficking. We trafficking. We trafficking. We
fucking with Glock glitz and glamour, machetes and sledgehammers, you know. But I know I check that bitch, she's staring too long. Then maybe you won't be so used, nigga, you're useless. And maybe I won't leave you clueless, nigga, you're clueless. I just wanted to let off a little steam, but every John Doe and Jane is clocking, I'm killing the scene. No matter your chatter, you tell them not flat, but your bro keep showing her ass. Mad mine is fatter, but you're all, cause I'm a competitor, screwball I shatter. You lacking confidence and competence. This nigga can't be serious. Swagger is erroneous. I'm nauseous from the phoniness. I'm bragging on your boniness. Listen, boo, I like to fly with big bangs. Keep big banks. Fucking with those swings. Come back with your wings. I got you open. My lethal is devotion. I'm that shit you smoking. Tell them why you choking.
We trafficking. We trafficking. We trafficking. We trafficking.
It's Swink Walker.
Yeah, hey yo, I'm back on my gritty shit. New York City shit. About to hit Richmond and Newport with these bricks. Won't stop